Hello guys, today we are talking about how to install a third-party keyboard on iOS. This may be your first time using iPhone and you don't know how to do it. Today we're gonna show you this. So there are many third-party keyboards on iOS. We can install any of them if you do not like the default one. To do this, go to the App Store and for example download Google Board. Open it. Click Get Started. Then select Keyboards and check the box next to Google Board. Give it full access by clicking on Allow Full Access. And that's it. Now to activate it, click on the globe icon and use it. If you were wondering how to install a third-party keyboard on iOS, this is the easiest way now. If you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.